Well, hello everyone. Hopefully you're doing pretty well today. My name is Deborah and welcome to my channel, Crafty Chalk and Creations. I am an independent designer of Chalk Couture, and today I'm going to be doing a video of this size A transfer. That means it's a 5.5 by 7. Every summer has a story. Now, I was going through some of my craft supplies and just things in my basement, and I found a book. It's a little journal notebook that was given to me. And the first thing I thought of was this transfer. I thought that would be perfect. So that way, if you would like to log your summer travels or anything like that, this would be really great for that. Or just your memories, anything like that. So what I'm going to do is, because I was originally going to do ink, but I'm not sure about the surface, so I didn't want to risk it, so I'm just going to use paste. But if you know you have a solid paper type surface that doesn't possibly have any coating or anything like that on it, then go ahead and give ink a try. But I'm going to use the paste. So because this is paper, it does feel like it has a slight coating on it, but to be on the safe side, I am going to use some surface wax. Now I'm going to be applying the transfer basically on the lower half to third, and you don't need much wax. Okay, this is just an old rag towel that I use, ripped apart. And then I'm just going to apply it. Just spread it out a little bit. It's probably too much. And then I'm just going to go over and buff it. Now this does give a slight sheen. Hopefully you can see that, see? So, you know what I think I'm going to do, even though I'm not going to be pasting on the top, just to kind of make it look a little bit more balanced and even, I'm going to wax the entire cover. It's that quick. You just pretty much apply it and then use another section and just buff it. There we go. That way it has more of a sheen. And why you do that is that way it protects your surface and it also protects your transfer. Alright. So any of the items that I am using that is from Chalk Couture, if you would like to purchase them, I will post a editable shopping cart link down below. So that way if you'd like to do your own project with this transfer, or like to add some other transfers, get your own paste colors, whatever you'd like to do, you are more than welcome to do that. Now I have previous videos on why I explain why I mark the back. This is your backer sheet. The shiny side is the side that your transfer comes on. You want to keep your backer sheet. And if you order a transfer, it also comes in a plastic sleeve with care instructions. Keep that. You can use it for storage. Now I'm going to set that aside. Now these transfers, they are reusable. Chalk Couture states are reusable anywhere from 8 to, I believe it's 10 or 12 times. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fuzz this a couple of times. And why that is, because you want to take some of that stickiness off. Even though I have waxed that surface, I still don't want to risk it adhering too well. Okay. I think that's pretty good. And this is a fuzzing cloth. If you don't have a fuzzing cloth, you're welcome to use a towel, a t-shirt, sweatshirt, anything that you may have. That's going to help add a little bit of lint to the back of it. Okay. Now I'm going to try to center this in a section that I want to apply this I should say. I know this is going to overlap some of my design, which is what I would like. Okay, I think I like where it's located at. So what I do is I take my finger, I go up, I go down, I go side to side, and then I start smoothing over with my hands and my fingers. And why that is that way if there are any fuzzies stuck to the back of this that is preventing my transfer from making good contact with my surface, I can go ahead and peel it back up and then just pick off some of the little fuzzies if I need to. And you want to make sure you don't have any wrinkles or air bubbles or anything like that. And if you would like to be on the safe side, you can also use the mini squeegee and just go over that just to make sure that you don't have any air bubbles in there. I sometimes do that with the larger ones. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. Now I have my own little ceramic plate here. I'm going to be using the color. Now this is also a last chance color. This is called Dusky Blue. Dusky Blue. I've already stirred this. Oops. There you go. That is a beautiful shade of blue. It kind of reminds me of that country Wedgwood blue. Seeing that I have got some paste in this cap here for when I turn it upside down. I already pre-stirred it. Normally you take it out of the jar like that. And then your squeegee has a bevel edge. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to generously apply this to my silk screen transfer. Need a little bit more. Just want to make sure that I have good coverage. Now what I mean by last chance, if you're not familiar with that term, there's a category on my website, Chalk Couture, my Chalk Couture hosted website there. And what it is, these are products that they will be removing at the end of July. The ones I'm showing you, this is going to be gone at the end of July. And they call them last chance. Okay. So, and now I have that on there. Now we're going to peel and reveal. Start at the corners and then you just slowly lift up. Oh, I like how that turned out. It almost looks like a travel stamp or something. That's kind of cool. You can use whatever color it is you like. I want something that kind of pull out the blues and complement. But if you want it to stand out a little bit more, you could use a brighter color if you like. Now, as soon as you're done with your pasting or inking your transfer, you want to take it to the sink and clean it. I have a little towel there. I'm just going to lay that there and spray it until I can get it clean. Now, you can use a heating tool or air tool, you know, like a hair dryer or something to dry this quicker. But I'm going to leave this to air dry. And it is that quick. So if you have maybe a plain journal book or something like that with a paper cover or cardstock, just go ahead and wax it, and you can decorate it however you like. I thought this would be a really cute transfer for this book, and also like maybe a keepsake box of your journey and travels, maybe for your children, for yourself, grandchildren. That would be a really nice accessory to that. There you go. It is that quick and that easy, and yes, you can do something like this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos, be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day.